We are here at Kampung Orang Asli Serendah, where it's home for 500 over people of the Temuan Orang Asli. Life here moves at a different pace. For many basic needs, families often travel out of the kampung. There aren't many proper spaces for the community to gather and spend time together. The community hall has been a central part of the kampung, a place for gathering, learning and holding important events. But it was a basic hall with basic wall and no proper flooring. That's where Niro Ceramic Group stepped in by supplying durable, easy to clean tiles. We help breathe new life into this hall, making it not just more beautiful but also more practical for everyday use. Let's hear what this means for the people who call this place home.
Dewan dah lama ni. Dewan ni sehingga dah dekat 10 tahun tu. Tapi banyaklah kegunaan kita punya dewan ni. Kadang orang kahwin pun ada, kadang-kadang diorang meeting pun ada lah. Kali diorang nak pakai, kita bagilah pakai macam tu. Baru ini hari Minggu kan diorang ada buat sukan. Itu bagi semangat orang penduduk lah sini. Bagi ada budak-budak kan happy sikit. Dulu semen lah. Tapi bila semen, pasal kita pun kurang, kita tak ada upah orang. Kita buat sendiri. Itu pasal semen kadang-kadang banyak sikit. Kadang-kadang itu dapat pecah. Perasaan tu memang baik lah. Kami pun terima kasih lah ada sponsorkan tu. Tahanlah sikit. Terima kasih Niro.
This project reflects what we truly believe in, that every tile that we place is the foundation for something greater. We are proud to be part of this initiative that brings the community together, offering a space to connect, celebrate and grow. To the people of Kampung Orang Asli Serendah, thank you for letting us be a part of your journey.